I've just put polyurethane along there from a water stop. Get a wedge so you don't get it all over your hands. Beautiful. You don't have to smooth it out or anything like that because I'm putting a tile on it. Bloody beautiful, tell your mum. Get that out of the road. Get that out of the road. I need that back. Right, I've done that for a reason. Why have I done that? Because I've measured, or it's going to be a full tile, but with the aluminium and that sort of thing going in, if I would have put the offcut of that tile here, it would have been too long. So I'm cutting it separately, and that's my length there. So then it all matches with the lines on the walls. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those suckers. One. Two. Three. 4. 5. Now what I need to do is lay down my straight edge. Like so. That's the line I marked before. And we're good to go, people. We're good to go. Get that out of the road. So what I'll be doing is laying a row of 3 tiles down here. I can just go now till I get to the end, and then I'll work out I'll work my way up to the door, coming back. Right, so I go this way, down here, and I go that way out the door. See that hole? I've got to fill that sometime. Here I'm just marking for my waist so it's ready when I'm busy tiling. It's already cut and I can just flow straight on through. So I've put my cup there, which is my full tile there, like so. All I do now is mark it there. And mark it there. Like so. Then you use you've got your two lines like that. Then you put down your waist like so. Some people measure it, but I reckon it's more accurate if you put down your waist on top of the tile and mark it. Like so. And that's good to go now. I'll go outside, zap that through. We're home and hose. See you soon. Okay, so here we go, Freddie. I've just cut my waist, cut my tile for the waist, and we're home and hose. My foot just bumped to that straight edge. No biggie. Just a little bit on the edge there. Nice. Once I get out of here, it'll be good. Once I'm laying all that, it's easy. Nice one. I like these big trowels. Always have. Better than those stupid little bloody things that we used to use years ago. Oh, got plenty here. That's all right though. Yeah, these clips are just a little bit soft. The plastic, and they don't break off that well. Look at that, bloody beautiful.